if you have values,
Right,
if you
ma'am.
are a knowledgeable person, then you have to look down like a
Yeah,
tree.
right.
Tree, when a tree laden with flowers and fruit, it always bend low.
Yeah,
एक ट्री
and
में जब फ्लावर्स और फ्रूट आ जाता है तो वो बेंट हो जाता है, वो झुक जाता है ना,
because really, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, yes,
तो
yes.
जब आपके अंदर नॉलेज है, इफ यू हैव समथिंग यू वांट टू इम्पार्ट, देन यू हैव टू लुक डाउन, यू कांट लुक अप, यू कांट बी एन एरोगेंट
Yes,
पर्सन.
ma'am. I think you have good knowledge about these things, and you should uh, like English speaker.
Thank you,
Your
thank you so much.
accent, your ma'am, really, your accent and your acting to learning, your body language is very same like the teacher and like a speaker who is speak.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Dharamveer ji. Thank you so much for your compliment. That really navigate me and it empower me and motivate me to do something good for my viewers, for my co-learners. Let's just start the conversation. May I call you by your name?
Dharamveer sir, you can call me DK also. This is my short form name.
I'll call you Dharamveer. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So Dharamveer ji, let's just start the conversation. And before we hop into the conversation, I want you to describe yourself,
Yes,
please.
ma'am. Uh, as you know, my name is Dharamveer Singh. I born
Mm-hmm.
and brought up in Bihar, Gopalganj district, where
Mm-hmm.
I completed my graduation and diploma also.
Mm-hmm.
And I am a safety engineer, and I am doing job as a private sector job. And I have been 4 years in my same field. And right now I am connecting from Gurugram, sector 104. I like to swimming and running also, ma'am. It's all about me.
So you are in Gurgaon right now, and I'm in Faridabad. I think we are neighbors.
Right, ma'am. Yes. I know your YouTube channel name, and I watched two, three your
Mm-hmm.
video, conversation video, and I learned some things from your videos. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and right now I'm trying to enhance my English speaking, so that's why I'm here, and I'm trying to keep my practice on a daily basis. But sometimes due to overwork, I slept. I forgot my routine and my practice, so
Mm-hmm.
that's why I couldn't so much improvement in my by my practice. So,
Mm-hmm.
you know, ma'am, this is a private sector job, and we have to spend 10, 11 hours in a
Yes.
day. So,
Mm-hmm.
this is the very difficult for us. So,
Mm-hmm.
mm, that's so I want to know about from your side during this working time. So, how can I practice and how can I manage of these things? So, if you can
Mm.
suggest me, I will do.
Okay. Like you told that you are into initial stage. You are into
Yes, ma'am.
initial stage. I mean, you are saying that you are at the beginner stage, right?
Right, ma'am.
And you are occupied with your work. And of course, it is very difficult to balance out personal life, professional life. It's very difficult, right? But
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanamveer, this is your dream, and you already took initiative to learn this language, right? So you have to be consistent for it. You have to,
Okay, ma'am.
create your own environment. Let's just forget about the own environment. We always talk about lot about, own environment. Process of learning, right?
Right,
When
ma'am.
you are at your workplace, then try to speak in English, but the word, not that sentence. Don't go with the sentence. Try to start your journey by words, by English word.
Okay, ma'am.
Means you have to develop a habit of speaking in English, but the word only, not sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
For example, mobile, right? We know it, this is
Yes.
mobile, right? This is
Yes.
comb, right? Comb. इसको आपको
Yes.
कंघा नहीं बोलना है, इसको आपको comb बोलना है, right? Comb,
Okay, ma'am.
right? And for example, जैसे medicine box, हम इसे
Medicine box.
दवाई का डिब्बा नहीं बोलेंगे, medicine box, right? Right?
Right. Right.
For example, this hair accessory,
Hair accessory. Okay.
hair accessory, ठीक है, या hair band, or you can say hair band,
Hair
right?
band. Okay,
So
ma'am.
the first activity for you, go with the simple word, English word. Sentence नहीं बनाने आपको अभी. You have to go with the
Okay, ma'am.
English word. Try to create the tendency to speak in English, but word. Word बोलना है
Okay.
आपको. This activity you have to apply at least 1 week.
Okay, ma'am.
1 week. For 1 week, you have to go with English word, right? Right? And after that, the second activity is whatever word you have memorized, whatever word you have learned, frame the
Yes.
sentences on that word. फिर आपको
Okay.
sentences बनाने. For example, today you learned mobile.
Okay.
Now frame the sentences. Mobile is useful for day-to-day life. We can't
Good.
live
Okay.
without mobile. It is like
Wow.
a small computer, a laptop. It is like a small laptop
Yes.
for us, right?
Yes.
Because
Right.
the whole world in mobile,
Mobile. Yes.
right?
Right.
Are you understanding my point?
Yes. 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 Yes, ma'am.
So your first activity is go with the word. Once you sing the word, once you learn all word, then frame the sentences, because you are at your initial stage,
Right, ma'am.
right? If you will push yourself for the complex sentences, for long sentences, you will not understand the basic process
Yes.
of English. That's very important, right?
Right, ma'am. Right. Right.
Right? And the third activity is, you have to, when you go to the office, हम ऑफिस जाते हैं,
Yes.
हेलो हाय बोलते हैं लोगों को, right? we
Yes.
greet
Yes.
them we greet them, right? Instead of say hi,
Yes. Yes.
instead of say hello,
Yes.
you can go with the
Yes.
sentence. Good morning sir,
Sometimes.
good morning ma'am, how are you, how's your day? Small
Yes.
sentences,
Yes.
right? You have to greet them in English with small sentences.
Okay.
ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं बोलना आपको हाय हेलो, नो. Try to speak in complete sentence. This is your third activity.
Okay.
And the fourth
Okay,
activity,
ma'am.
last activity,
Okay.
before going to the bed, before going to the bed,
Okay.
you have to describe your happy moment of a day.
Happy moment. Okay.
Happy moment
Okay.
आप पूरे दिन में एक बार अगर खुश हुए, ठीक है?
Mhm.
Throughout the day, if you are happy, you have to describe it in your own word.
Okay.
For example, जैसे मैं आपको example देती हूँ. For instance, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टूडे. मैं बहुत खुश था, लेकिन सब कुछ पास्ट टेंस में बोलना, ठीक है? आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टूडे
Yes.
बिकॉज आई प्ले विद माई किड, राइट? एंड आई बिलीव
Yes.
प्लेइंग विद द किड्स, you know, it feel like the stress
Right.
buster for me. My kids
Right.
are treasure for me. जो भी आपने फील किया उस दिन में, whatever you felt,
Yes.
you have to describe in a simple word. छोटे छोटे words में, simple sentences में बोलना है. Doesn't matter if you are speaking in a broken English. अगर आप टूटी फूटी अंग्रेजी भी बोल रहे हो ना, कोई बात नहीं, बोलिए मगर.
Yes. Right.
लेकिन you have to speak. Don't bother about broken English. Don't bother about vocabularies. Don't bother about sentences. Don't bother about mistakes.
Right, ma'am.
Right?
Got your. Yes. Yes. I got it. Your point. Right.
But you have to speak. Right?
Definitely, I will do, ma'am. as you mentioned.
Hmm.
Actually, ma'am, I want to move Europe country, so that's why I'm enhance my speaking because
Hmm.
uh, I don't have attend any competition exam. I only want to speak English, and I want to in front of any English man. I can understand I can convince my words easily. So I'm the this is my main concern, man. Okay, so
Hmm.
that's why I'm practicing more and more. I want to practicing, and
Yes.
I'm doing I'm watching a video day by on daily basis. I watch a video like
Great.
conversation video. Yes, yes, on
Great.
daily basis.
Hmm.
When I go to the bed, at that time I watch one two videos, and sometime whenever I feel like free, so I'm trying to read newspaper on my
Great.
laptop and mobile also. Yes,
Great.
yes,
Great.
ma'am. So
Hmm.
I do these things
Hmm.
on daily basis. Sometime I forget and miss my this routine due to overwork and other work. So mm,
Hmm.
I'm
See,
doing
Hmm.
yes,
Dharanveer, one more thing I want to tell you.
yes,
I can see that you are able to frame the sentences. Yes.
yes, ma'am,
You
yes,
are understanding, right? You are
yes,
understanding the English. You are
right,
able to frame the sentences, simple sentence, and that's very good. Very
yes,
good,
ma'am. Thank you,
right?
ma'am.
So all you need
Yes,
to do it, you have to maintain the consistency,
right, ma'am.
right? I know you are a busy person. Everyone is busy in this world, right?
Yes,
But at
yes, yes,
least 10 minute, 15 minute, right?
yes,
You can take
yes,
out. You can take out,
yes,
right?
right, right,
Or in 10, 15 minutes, whatever you want to do it. Means if you want to listen something, if you want to read something, if you want to speak, whatever the choice of you have, the zone of interest you have, you can go with it. Try to
right,
make the most of it. Try to take the
ma'am.
full advantage of 10, 15 minutes if you get
Right, ma'am.
time,
Right, ma'am.
right?
Yes, yes, yes. Ma'am, I think you have good knowledge about these things, and you should uh,
Mhm.
English speaker.
Thank you.
Your
Thank you so
accent, your ma'am, really, your accent and your acting to learning, your body language is very same like the teacher and like a speaker who is speak.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Dharamveer ji. Thank you so much for your compliment. That really navigate me and it empower me and motivate me to do something good for my viewers, for my co-learners.
Yes, ma'am. Really, it's a very good for us. Whenever I watch your video, I'm trying to learn something from your words, and I got like new words whenever I watch your video. Like
Mhm. Okay.
new, I got yes, new vocabulary also. So
Mhm.
it is very helpful me. You are doing great, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your accent is very like cool and very decent.
Mhm.
Anyone can understand. Anyone can happy in front of you, and they will not worry. Oh, in front of my the teacher, any teacher, and knowledge person have in front of me. So we can't feel like that. We are like feel, oh no, he is my old friends. So
Yes, it's very
yeah,
important.
we should.
Whenever we are
Yes,
connecting to the person, we have to
yes,
respect, right? We have to
yes.
respect. We have to create the joyful environment. And third thing, if you have values,
Right,
if you
ma'am.
are a knowledgeable person, then you have to look down. Like a
Yeah,
tree,
right.
when a tree laden with flowers and fruit, it always bend low.
Yes.
एक ट्री
And
में जब फ्लावर्स और फ्रूट आ जाता है तो वो बेंट हो जाता है, वो झुक जाता है ना?
because really, really, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, yes,
तो
yes.
जब आपके अंदर नॉलेज है, इफ यू हैव समथिंग यू वांट टू इम्पार्ट, देन यू हैव टू लुक डाउन, यू कांट लुक अप, यू कांट बी एन एरोगेंट
Yes.
पर्सन, isn't it?
No need to arrogant so much.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Okay,
okay,
ma'am.
Dharamveer ji, wind up the
Thank
session. And it was great connect with you. You are a good person, right? And you
thank you, ma'am.
are an enthusiastic learner, and I wish, and my good wishes that you fly to Europe, and right. Then you will go to the Europe, and then you will say hi ma'am, I will say hi Dharamveer ji. Okay?
Definitely, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Definitely, I will do. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, till
Thank
then
you.